I'm standing in front of the Adventist Church number 7 in Riga, Latvia. To be honest, this church shouldn't even be here. It shouldn't be owned by Adventists, except for the fact of 2 faithful elderly ladies, a vision, and the writing of a will that would probably never ever be used. It's a fascinating tale. I just have to share it with you.
It was a quite deep Soviet time. One of our sister, she had a property here. We see this house. That was her property. But during the Soviet time, everything was nationalized, and also this Soviet government decided that this property is too big for her, and it was taken away. Really, I'm a pastor of this church, but I never met that lady, Pauline Auniņa. But we have a pastor who met her, and he can tell something more about her, about this wonderful, interesting story. And she didn't get a flat also in her own house. She had only one room, not a flat, but just one room in that house which belonged to her. And she saw a dream that there on streets of Riga there will be these flags of previous Latvia, these red, white and red color flags. And so she understood that it is a guidance from the God that there will be changes. And she decided to write last will to the church. Church refused because she's executives decided that you don't have anything, how you can write a last will? But she didn't give up, and she decided to write last will to her also sister in the church. She was a little bit younger, and so they went to the lawyers and they write a document, last will, that everything which belonged to me now will belong to you. Okay, so write this last will, and so it stayed for years. In 1972, that sister Anna Tērauds, she died. But another sister which got this last will, Pauline Auniņa, she lived, and there was in 1904 there was time changes, and she decided to fulfill this last will and make such a gift to the church.
Auniņa Pauline. Она родилась в 1800.
She is a Pauline Auniņa. She was born in 1896, and she lived 104 years. And she made this gift for the church, and we have now this church building. They asked lawyers and notaries, so is it real? Does it work? They said yes, it works. And so they prepared documentations, and we may say that this is really a guidance of God, just a wonder, because in that time she was more than 90 years old, and when this building was finished, she was 104 years old, and she saw it. She saw how this fulfilled his last will and how fulfilled his dream. If God provided for us this building and provided fulfillment of this dream, so I'm sure that God has any plans for us, and we have to fulfill them and find how to fulfill them. And I'm sure God will give us wisdom how to fulfill